Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a message or a conversation in Discord Mobile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android and you just wanted to delete what you said or you wanted to delete an entire conversation, I'll show you both options. Let's first just open the Discord app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on the messages icon at the top left. Tap on a conversation. Let's say you wanted to delete a specific message and not the whole conversation. To do that, you can press and hold on a message that you sent. Let me tap on the actual message. Oh, get out of here. Tap on the actual message. There we go. Scroll down. Tap on delete message. Tap on yes. I'm sure I wanted to delete it. Now this will allow you to delete a specific message that you sent. To delete a conversation, tap on that person's name at the top. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. Tap on close DM. You can see it removes it from your message, essentially deleting that entire conversation. I hope this helps. If it did, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.